She just wanna do it for the thrill, yeah.
What color do you want to get ready now?
40. I don't care. She don't wait in line because it's too long.
As you see, guys, we already wrapped a few pounds on this car. Now I will continue working on it and I will lay some film on the doors, and we will talk about this entire build in the end of the video with car owner. Stay tuned for that.
What you trying to decide?
Tin, black is better.
Black is better?
It matters. Because black lives matter. And bright.
I don't know, Midas. We need to decide.
You want to do dark tin?
I don't think it's dark enough.
Dark or light?
We still need to put all these parts back on the car. But finally, car is wrapped and I can't wait to show you results. So we just had craziest beach drive. Car is finished and full equipped. I have here Jay with me, who is the owner of this car and House of Autocare business. And Jay will tell us a bit more what has been done on this car. So Jay, what you have done on it?
Alright, so what with this year, we thought it's time for the car to stand out for the business. So we finished it in KPMF anodized bronze. We've done VR602s from Rolling Stock, which is their Venom Rex range of 4 driving wheels. We've done a rival bull bar from Medina, and we also did the Rhino roof rack as well, along with the snorkel as well. So it's finally finished the car, and I think it's ready to go on the road.
So guys, let us know in the comments below what do you think about this result. And thank you very much for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and I will see you next time.
Can you not get this on camera, Vitus?
Do it. Just go.
No, I'm not gonna.
No, it's not. It's not rolling. It's not rolling at all.
I like your smile.
That's why I'm not doing it. He's struggling alright.
Bloopers. It's gonna be bloopers. Good bloopers. CJ, it was easy.